Hey y'all, I'm back with another real quick video. I'm just going to talk about how to stop sleep paralysis in its tracks. Now, I don't know if you've experienced it. If you're on this video, you probably have, where you've woken up from a dream and you try to move and it's like something holding you down or pulling you back. And you try to open your mouth to call somebody, but then nothing comes out. And you're like, well, what do I do? You can't move. So basically, the way I deal with sleep paralysis is I just control my breathing and relax and balance myself because, anything negative trying to hold you down, you know, if you can balance yourself and be at that peaceful vibration, you can free yourself from it and then, wake up. Like I had an experience where I was in the car with my mom. We were in the drive-thru. We was at Chick-fil-A, and we had stopped, and she had asked me if I wanted something, and I had been asleep, but like I remember seeing her ass, but I was asleep, but it's like I could still hear her and see her like it was a dream. It was weird. So she had asked me if I wanted something, and my eyes were still closed, and I started to open my mouth. And nothing would come out. I started to say, Mama, but nothing would come out. So I just breathed in for like 10 seconds and breathed out. And then I was able to get up. And this is before I had really got too deep into, that aspect of spiritual happenings. But I had that experience, and then I had another one when I was in my bed, and I started to like it was like a dream state where I felt like I was being pulled from my body. It was really weird. And I remember I let my dog sleep on the futon in my room. So I feel myself being pulled away, and I try to call for my dog, and it was just really weird. I'm like, Smiley, but nothing's coming out. So I'm like nothing's coming out. But I just controlled my breathing, and I was able to sit up and look at my dog and be like, so you ain't see me struggling in my dream. You ain't gonna wake me up. Okay, cool. Because when my dog have bad dreams, he get to twitching and kicking. I wake him up, and he ain't wake me up. So, I was salty. But that's something you can do, if you don't have no other types of protection on you. You can just control your breathing and rebalance yourself. And that's how you can deal with sleep paralysis.